In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text style in WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your site's typography across the board using the WordPress.com editor so your headings and paragraphs look clean, consistent, and on brand. Start by going to WordPress.com in your browser and sign in if you're not already. On the homepage dashboard, look to the right side where your sites are listed. Hover your mouse over the site you want to update. This reveals quick actions for that specific site. Click Edit Site to open the site editor. This is the place where global styles live, and any changes you make here will apply site-wide, which is perfect when you want a consistent look without editing each page individually. Inside the editor, keep your eye on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see the styles controls, which include options for colors, spacing, and typography. Find typography and open its More Options menu by clicking the three dots next to it. From that menu, choose Font. This takes you directly to the font settings that control your site's text styles. In the font panel, locate the default setting and open the dropdown. Default covers the overall font family that your theme uses for text elements such as headings and paragraphs. When you open the dropdown, you'll see a list of available font families. Scroll through the options and select the new text style you want to use. As you choose a font, the preview in the editor updates so you can quickly gauge readability and tone. Aim for a font that matches your brand's personality but still looks clean on both desktop and mobile. A simple rule of thumb: pick something highly legible for body text, and if you prefer a more expressive look, reserve that for headings. Once you're satisfied with the new text style, it's time to apply the change. Look to the top right of the editor and click Save. If you're prompted to confirm what you're saving, go ahead and confirm. Your new font choice is now applied across your site. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Remember that typography has a big impact on accessibility and performance. Avoid overly decorative fonts for long paragraphs and ensure strong color contrast, so text remains easy to read. If you don't see the exact options shown here, your theme or plan may present typography slightly differently, but the workflow, edit site, typography, font, choose, and save remains the same. And that's it. You've updated your WordPress text style site-wide with just a few clicks.